Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com, and today it's my pleasure to continue on with our Ask the Flooring Pro video series. I believe this is episode 10. And for those of you that are watching one of our videos for the first time, what we're doing here is we're taking questions that we get asked every single day on various floor covering topics. It could be product review questions. It could be cleaning and maintenance tips. It might be budgeting questions. It might be installation questions. And we're just taking these questions one by one and we're making a short video on it to provide you with our answer. And ultimately, what we're doing is hoping that you can use our site as a resource center for yourself. We're hosting all of these videos on our website called Ask the Flooring Pro video series. It's on bestrugprices.com. You can go to our page and look at these videos if you have a floor covering question, and hopefully we have a video that's going to answer your question. So today's topic is on vinyl plank flooring, and in particular what makes a good vinyl plank floor in regards to mill layer. So a lot of times if you go into a store and you're talking to a salesperson and look at their vinyl plank, they may tell you, well, this is on sale. It's a great 12 mil product. Or this one over here is a 20 mil product. Or this one is a 6 mil product as a starter point. Well, what exactly does that mean? And is it important? Why do you even care? Well, in floor covering world, there's a finish layer that the factories put on the vinyl plank flooring right on the top to protect the floor. And that's called the mill layer. And a mill is 1/1000th of an inch. So it only kind of goes to, I guess, common sense that the thicker the mill layer, the more durable that floor is going to be in some degree, or it might be harder to scratch, that sort of thing. So when a salesperson comes to you and says, hey, I've got a 6 mil product, then that means that that's a really, really thin wear layer on top of that vinyl plank. And probably that's a very inexpensive product. You might see that in an apartment complex or something that is commercially rated that is looking for a very, very affordable, inexpensive product. On the flip side of that, if a salesperson comes to you and says, hey, we got this product over here that's a 20 mil, then that's a really thick wear layer for a vinyl plank product. And that's really kind of at the top of the line that retail stores are going to sell. And you're probably not going to do much better than that when it comes to scratch resistance and durability. So when you go into a store and somebody says, hey, I've got this product on sale, and you ask them what the mill wear layer is, if they say 6 mil, my suggestion is pass, because a lot of stores now have 20 mil products that they get at great pricing, and you're not going to do much better than a 20 mil. So I would stick with a 20 mil, and even I would go so far as to say most of the stores now and manufacturers have 20 mil products that have an attached pad to the product. So when you walk on it, you're not going to hear a lot of clicking noises or that hollow sound. You can get a 20 mil vinyl plank with an attached pad at a very, very affordable price. In fact, a lot of stores stock this product in their store, and they can even give you terrific deals. So I hope that helps. With millware layers, the other millware layer that I didn't talk about is a 12 mil, and a lot of stores have 12 mils, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with a 12 mil product. That would last a long time in your home. But for my 2 cents, as far as the way you should rate millware layers, you start off with a 6, maybe you go up to a 12, and then the one that you really should shop for is the 20 mil product with the attached pad. So I hope that helps. Again, we're at bestrugprices.com. If you go to our page, there's a section called Ask the Flooring Pro. And on that page, you'll find a list of all of our videos. They're just really short videos with answers to specific questions. Hopefully, if you have a question, you'll find a video that'll give you the answer. Likewise, if you have a question on the bottom of our page on our website, there's a spot there where you can submit a question, and we'd love to make a video about it. Thank you very much.